What's wrong with it? There's no difference.
You're just missing that extra something. It's the
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Clark County in South Central Indiana, Floyd County in South Central Indiana, Southeastern Harrison County in South Central Indiana, Northern Bullitt County in Central Kentucky, Northeastern Hardin County in Central Kentucky, Jefferson County in Central Kentucky, Northwestern Nelson County in Central Kentucky, West Central Shelby County in Central Kentucky, Northwestern Spencer County in Central Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shively, Shepherdsville, Linden, Middletown, and Douglas Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I gotta get out of here.